Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The Best Keto Cookbook is probably one of the most sought-after resources for anyone looking to simplify their ketogenic lifestyle, offering a treasure trove of delicious, easy-to-follow recipes designed to make meal prepping a breeze and keep you on track with your health goals, ensuring that sticking to a low-carb, high-fat diet is not only manageable but also incredibly enjoyable and satisfying, even for the busiest individuals. Number 5. Keto Science Chocolate Shake Powder. Introducing the Keto Science Chocolate Shake Powder, your delicious partner in achieving your keto goals. This powder is designed to support your journey towards a healthier you. It serves as a convenient meal replacement, packed with essential nutrients to keep you satisfied. Enjoy a fulfilling shake that fits perfectly into your keto lifestyle. Formulated with MCT oil and collagen, it provides the beneficial fats and protein your body needs. These ingredients are key to supporting your ketogenic diet and overall wellness. This supplement is specifically crafted to aid in your weight loss efforts. It's an effective way to stay on track with your diet and see the results you desire. Each container offers 14 servings, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Enjoy the rich chocolate flavor and the benefits it brings to your keto journey. What we like. Need a fast and convenient keto meal solution? This option provides a quick, nutrient-dense shake perfect for busy mornings or post-workout recovery. If you're looking for a simple way to boost your protein and healthy fats intake without cooking, this is your go-to. What people say. The carb cravings are dramatically reduced with this shake. I also feel legitimately satisfied with it for hours, where some other shakes leave me still feeling hungry. This shake tasting great and working well makes me very happy. Number 4. FlavCity Keto Meal Prep. Tired of bland keto food? Discover over 125 low-carb recipes that are packed with flavor and actually taste good. Finally, enjoy your keto journey without sacrificing taste. This cookbook is your guide to mastering the keto diet. We focus on creating satisfying meals that fit your low-carb lifestyle. Get ready to experience deliciousness like never before. We understand that dietary needs vary. That's why many of these recipes are also allergy-friendly. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you can find meals that suit your specific requirements. Save time and stress with our easy-to-follow meal prep strategies. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying your flavorful, healthy meals. It's the perfect solution for busy individuals. Don't settle for boring keto. These recipes are designed to be incredibly tasty, proving that low-carb eating can be a culinary delight. Elevate your meals and your health with this essential guide. What we like. Tired of bland keto food? This cookbook focuses on delicious, low-carb recipes that don't compromise on flavor, with many allergy-friendly choices. If you're someone who loves good food and wants to make keto enjoyable and inclusive for everyone, this is the perfect resource for you. What people say. The recipes are easy to follow and the meal prep instructions are clear. This cookbook provides a great variety of delicious keto-friendly recipes that are perfect for busy weeknights. I love that the cookbook includes nutritional information for each recipe, making it easy to track macros. Number 3. Downshiftology Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook. Discover a new way to approach healthy eating with over 100 make-ahead recipes. This cookbook simplifies meal preparation for busy lifestyles. Enjoy delicious, gluten-free meals without the hassle. Our recipes are designed for quick assembly, saving you time and effort. Explore a vast collection of over 100 recipes perfect for meal prepping. From make-ahead dishes to quick assembly options, there's something for everyone. Spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoying nutritious meals. This guide provides practical solutions for healthy eating throughout the week. This cookbook is your ultimate resource for preparing healthy meals in advance. It's packed with simple, flavorful recipes for everyday life. What we like. Seeking efficient meal prep with a gluten-free emphasis? This cookbook offers a fantastic variety of make-ahead recipes and quick assembly meals designed for busy lifestyles. If you prioritize gluten-free eating and want to streamline your week with healthy, pre-prepped dishes, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The recipes are gluten-free and emphasize whole foods, rather than processed foods. She includes information about how to select the best food from the grocery store, what to look for, different ways to prep and cook it, and different ways to use it in different dishes, as well as storage tips, so she offers a lot of versatility, in addition to traditional recipes. The meal prep section at the beginning is so helpful, and then further in the book Lisa tells us how to use the ingredients to make meals. This is not meal prep in the sense that you make a meal and portion it and eat it all week. These are individual ingredients that can be used any way you want, no boredom. Number 2. Keto meal prep. Lose weight, save time, feel your best. Are you looking to lose weight and feel your best? Our keto meal prep service makes it simple to stick to your ketogenic diet. Stop spending hours in the kitchen. We prepare delicious, healthy keto meals so you can save valuable time throughout your week. Achieve your weight loss goals faster with our expertly crafted ketogenic meals. They are designed to support your journey to a healthier you. Experience the benefits of the ketogenic diet and feel your absolute best. Our meals are packed with flavor and nutrients to keep you energized. Enjoy the simplicity and deliciousness of keto without the hassle. We handle the prep, so you can focus on enjoying your results. What we like? Ready to lose weight and feel your best on keto? This guide offers practical strategies for meal prepping that save you time and support your weight loss goals. If you're looking for a comprehensive approach to the ketogenic diet that prioritizes both health and efficiency, this is the ideal option. What people say makes it so easy to plan keto meals for the week, especially for beginners like me, from breakfast to lunch to dinner. Each recipe lists your macros, making them easy to track over time. There are 6 weeks worth of meal prep meal plans in this book, along with loads of good-to-know basics about how to recreate some of your favorites in keto form, pancakes, etc. Number 1. Easy Keto Meal Prep, 8 weekly plans and 60 recipes. Are you struggling to stick to your ketogenic diet? We understand the challenges of meal planning and preparation. Let us make it easier for you. This comprehensive guide provides you with 8 distinct weekly meal plans. Each plan is designed to keep you on track with your keto goals. Explore a collection of 60 mouth-watering recipes. These dishes are not only keto-friendly but also incredibly tasty, ensuring you never get bored. We've taken the guesswork out of keto meal prep. Spend less time planning and more time enjoying your delicious, healthy meals. With our structured plans and diverse recipes, achieving your ketogenic lifestyle goals has never been simpler. Start your journey to a healthier you today. What we like? Want to simplify your keto journey? This resource provides structured weekly meal plans and 60 easy-to-follow recipes to make keto effortless. If you're new to keto or just want a straightforward, no-fuss approach to meal prepping, this cookbook is designed to make your life much easier. What people say. The book lays out 8 comprehensive weekly meal plans that are not only easy to follow but come with detailed shopping lists and equipment needed, taking the guesswork out of my grocery runs and meal preparation. Each of the over 60 recipes included not only tastes delicious but also comes with specific macro ratios and detailed nutritional information. The beautiful photography and visual meal grids in the book also make it a pleasure to use, showing exactly what each day's meals will look like along with their macro breakdown. It has a lot of great recipes that are easy to put together and portion out. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.